Well, the Marion County Quorum Court is charting a path forward tonight following last night's vote to fire members of the county's library board. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley was in the courtroom for that vote and has more now. Andrew.
We had a library and a library board that was on a little island by themselves and would not let anybody in, and they got what they deserved.
According to court documents, last Monday, former Marion County Library Director Dana Scott was charged with 2 counts of tampering with public records and 1 of failure to pay or file return taxes. Days later, County Judge Jason Stump dismissed the library board, claiming they failed to responsibly oversee the library and adhere to county financial policies. At last night's quorum court meeting, 8 out of 9 JPs voted to fire all library board members.
We gave opportunity for things to be fixed. The library board wouldn't listen to us. We just had to take action. I am for the library. I want to see the library expand. I want to see the library grow. But when the budget came up for the library, it was all about giving the librarian a raise, but there was no plan.
Some locals told Channel 7 they believe the termination of the Marion County Library Administration may be unjustified and based on personal vendettas going back years.
In a small town, it's hard to avoid personal grudges. You know, everybody knows everybody. So that's definitely been true, and that has carried over to this court and this judge.
During public comment at the quorum court meeting last night, Kelly asked probing questions about why Stump dismissed the board prior to the quorum court voting on it. She told us she appreciated that he opened the floor for public comment.
I don't mind hard questions. I like to see the public get involved. I mean, even you saw, they were getting ready to vote and I stopped them. If the vote had taken place, there'd been zero conversation.
Questioned motives aside, the county judge and quorum court must now find and appoint new library board members.
Hopefully by the next month, we have 5 that want to do it. We can start the process. I want to get the board going so we can get a new director in. If I can bring all 5 names and they're all put through, we'll have a new board.
Some library patrons are worried that the new library board may cut community programs and activities they have grown to love.
If they don't like it and they appoint people who also don't like it, then they're not going to have those programs for us anymore. The new board they appoint, I'm hoping will be actually, that will also be good like the ones previously. I'm concerned that the people who will be on the board could not be supportive of the library.
On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Well, 7 of the 9 JPs on the quorum court are leaving office. In fact, last night's meeting was their last. So new library board appointments will be handled by their successors.